good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders all around the world. This is FXFreedom broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is the foundation course, Forex Course 101, everybody. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number one is the market, pillar number two is the strategy, and the big one, pillar number three, is the trader. Talking about the trader more in the Forex Course 202. Remember, champion traders, champion beginner traders always say, I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. Okay, we are not going to cry because we lost one trade, everybody. Okay, and we are not going to be happy either if we just won one trade. We are going to be sap your head after 50, 60, 70, 100 trades. Hello Allah, how are you? Allah, remember, Allah, you are going to graduate from this course and it's going to take you approximately 1 year, if not more. Allah, you are going to graduate from this course when you have your charts ready and set up and ready for trading, when you have your strategy in place and you understand why you win, why you lose. Fibonacci is a great tool, everybody, to make sense out of the winners and losers. And number three, when you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction, long or short, for the week. Hello Dancy, how are you? Always remember that 90% of traders all around the world, Dubai, Croatia, Zagreb, Croatia, Tokyo, Japan, New York, USA, Sao Paulo, Brazil, everybody, 90% of traders lose money worldwide. Risk disclaimer, these streams are not trading or investment advice. We are here to educate ourselves, everybody. Even though we say, okay, this is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the take profit, okay? This is not a recommendation. And remember, if your way is not working, change, okay? You must change something, okay? If your way is not working, try the other, try ours. For homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, everybody, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. That being said, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that you want to check. And today we are going to talk about trading, okay? We are going to work on number 3. Type in the chat a currency pair, everybody, and we are going to go monthly, weekly, daily for our chart, and we are going to make an educated prediction. Today is Wednesday, yes sir. Okay everybody, so today we're going to talk about trading and we are going to work on number 3. Have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Olufemi, hedge fund trader, Euro JPY, yes sir. Okay everybody, please open Euro JPY. And hello. And here is the question, Euro JPY, make an educated prediction for this week, long or short. Allah, if not today, tomorrow, okay? So, Euro JPY, everybody, this is how your chart should look like if you are going to use Fibonacci's, if you are going to use support, resistance, pivot points, if you are going to use trend lines, if you are going to use the market wave, if you are going to use the short-term trends on the monthly, this is how your chart should look like. Type in the chat agreed, or type in the chat no, I don't agree. So if you decided, everybody, that you are not going to use support, resistance, pivot points, of course your chart is going to be without the green lines. If you decided not to trade the market wave and the short-term trends, your chart is going to be without the yellow lines. Okay? Remember, everybody, some of you are with me for the last 3-4 years. Work on number one. You are not going to graduate, everybody, in December. If everything goes as planned, in December we are going to finish all of these modules. But if you don't have your charts set up and ready for trading, you are not graduating from this course. Meaning, teacher, can I come to Forex course 202? Do you have number one? No, I don't. Then the answer is no, you can't. Make sense, everybody? You cannot advance in the institutional course without the 1, 2, 3 in here. So start building your charts. If you don't have it yet, start building your charts, everybody. Type in the chat, yes, I agree. Type in the chat, no, I don't agree, you are so rude to me. Type in the chat. Anyway, everybody, hedge fund trader Dancy, hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Clara, Euro JPY monthly chart, long or short for this week? Long or short on this week? We are here right now. Freedom, I don't know. Everybody, of course, right? But still, this is how we learn. Try to make, we are still learning how this market works. Good news, this market is predictable to a degree. You can make pips and money. Everybody. Other people, not everybody of course, but other people are making pips and money, so you can too. And we are learning how this market works. Dancy says long. Okay, so somebody's saying long. Okay. Long, and somebody says short. Long, how many long? Long one. Long one and two shorts, right? Two shorts. Three short. Olufemi short, Ala short, Clara short. Short, 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 one long. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now pay attention. Download this stream later and watch it over and over and over again. Okay, everybody? So, talking about direction, type in the chat, everybody. So, prediction, okay, trader, prediction to trade, right? Text, prediction, educated prediction for a trade, So let's say short. So we have edit label, we have 4 shorts, everybody, okay, and 1 long. So far, short, 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 long. Okay. Educated prediction, everybody, on your JPY monthly chart. Don't mix apples with bananas. Okay. So let's talk about. Type in the chat, everybody. General direction is up or down? Type in the chat up or down. General direction. So general direction. Somebody's already yelling at me, what has this to do with trading? Answer number 3. What has a monthly general direction to do with trading, everybody? We are working today on number 3. You have a complete understanding on how this market works. Okay? General direction from the monthly, up or down? Up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Okay, general direction is up, right? Okay. Oops. Come on, there you go. Okay, we are 5. Okay, great. Now, short-term direction, everybody. Short-term direction. Tell me, is the market in an extension right now, or is the market in a retracement right now? Short trend, short. General direction, yes, this is short term. Short term direction. Is the market in an extension, or is the market in a retracement? Extension, retracement. In an extension. Euro JPY monthly chart, up direction, short term up, in an extension. Short term. So 3 says up, 3 says up, all of them says retracement, 1 down. 4 up, 4 are up, 2 retracements. Extension, 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 3, okay, 4. Okay, now the story is changing, so 3 down, we have 3 down, 3 up. Okay, everybody? So, the one, remember everybody, we are here to learn, okay? We are not criticizing you, we are not judging you. Everybody, this market short term is down. It's in a retracement. Okay? You need to understand this, that you are in a retracement right now. Okay? Yellow line, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. This is the short-term trend on the monthly, and the market is a pattern. It's making higher highs, higher lows, right? But this chunk of price action, the market pushed down. So we are short term, we are down, we are not up. Make sense? The market is going to make a higher low. This is how the market works. It went from one pivot point to the other pivot point, past support, no brainer if you learned well, no brainer, right? The market pushed from up in here to down in here, and this is why you lost on the 15-minute chart and 30-minute chart and 1 hour chart, everybody, because you didn't pay attention to the monthly. Agreed? Okay, so short-term direction, not talking about the pattern, talking about the short-term direction. And this is the learnable skill. If you would just buy in here, you would lose. Did you lose, everybody? Buying this chunk of price action? Remember, losing is a normal part of the game. It's nothing to be ashamed. We all have losing trades, professional traders too. Okay? If you lost, just type in the chat. Yes, I lost, nothing to be ashamed. Make sense, everybody? But you must grow and make sense out of your losers and try not to repeat the same mistake over and over again. Okay, everybody? Because if you're going to repeat the mistakes, you're not going to grow. Losers are a normal part of growing up. Okay? When you were learning how to ride a bicycle, did you ride the bicycle with the first second? Of course not. You fall down 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 50, 100 times. And then you learn to ride a bicycle. Trading is exactly the same. This is how we learn. Anyway, the short-term trend is up, right? But this short-term trend right now, it's in a retracement. Up extension, up retracement, up extension, up retracement, up extension. Oh, it's a down retracement. Vocabulary, it's an up. We are still up. Okay? This is a retracement. I lost yesterday before I saw it was going down on monthly. Calm down. It's not that easy either, right? Today we are working, everybody. We are working on number 3 today. This one in here. Have a complete understanding of how this market works. Fibonacci 2, right? So we have the general direction. Okay, everybody? Short-term trend is down. Okay? And now it would be too easy, you know. What about timing? Timing is the candle. Timing. Okay? So if you are going to, we have different traders having different visuals, which is absolutely great. One trader wants to go long and the other 4 wants to go short. They all agree on general direction. They are divided by 50% on the short-term trend. What about timing, everybody? Is the market going right now up or down? And we learned that timing is based on the candles. Dancy says, but this is not short-term on monthly, this is 3 candles, is short-term trend on weekly, or am I wrong? I think short-term trend is yellow line. Well, now this is the short-term trend. This is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. Yellow line. Dancy, if you are referring to this one, yes, you are wrong. Let's change colors, everybody. Orange. The orange line is the market wave, not just Dancy, everybody. The orange line is the market wave, and the yellow line is the short-term trend. Okay, Dancy? Everybody, timing, up or down? And talking about Fibonacci, this is the original one, right? And this is the Contrarian, right? Who knows why the market pushed up probability wise? What is the answer? Okay, yellow is in short-term trend. We are making higher highs, higher lows. Yes, sir. Everybody, what about timing? What about timing? What does this mean? Timing means if you enter right now on the 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, if you have your timing wrong, you are going to start to lose immediately, and if you have your timing right, you are going to start to win immediately. Timing is undecision now, but candle not closed yet and previous candle pointing down. Everybody, this is a learnable skill. Decide. Decide what are you going to do, everybody. Okay? Up or down, like you did here, a great job. Timing, up or down, this is what you see. Would you rather sell right now or would you rather buy right now? There is no right or wrong, we are here to learn. Yes, make a decision. Oh, but I'm afraid. Don't worry, we are all afraid. We are all scared of the market, everybody. Nobody wants to lose, make sense? We are all the same in here. We are in the same boat. Dancy would buy. Anybody else? Hedge fund trader Olufemi, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola. What about you? Timing, buy or sell? Sir, the yellow pattern is an extension or retracement. Yellow pattern, it's in a retracement. Yellow pattern, it's in a retracement, everybody. Counter trend break on the I'm going short. So we have one to go up, one to go down. Anybody else? Olufemi, we are talking about the monthly. We have one long, one short, two shorts, two shorts. Okay, so buy would be one, buy would be one, short, so sell would be 1, 2, 3. Olufemi, what about you? 4. Okay, everybody. So we are working on number. Everybody, we are working on number 3. You have a complete understanding on how this market works. Okay. Some of you need to practice. Okay. The understanding of the short-term trend and what is the short-term direction. Okay. This market, short-term, the 3 of you, nothing to be ashamed. We are not criticizing you. Don't worry. This is how we learn. Congratulations to you. The one who said short-term trend is up. Okay. Starting from today, learn that when the market is in a retracement, okay, then when the market is in a retracement, the short-term trend in an uptrend is down. Hello Queen, how are you? Queen's a short. Okay, now timing, everybody, timing. Everybody who says sell, you have the wrong visual. Everybody. Okay, timing on the monthly chart. You can accept what I'm telling you, you can reject what I'm telling you. Anyway, don't come back crying. Oh, my way is not working. Timing. This candle, it's bullish right now. Okay, you need to learn, this is the part of the skill, you need to learn candles. We learned about bullish pressure, bearish pressure, we learned about decision, indecision. Okay, it needs to create a low. Yes, sir. So timing, everybody, the one who says Some of you are still quiet online. The one of you who said short, you have your timing wrong. Make sense, everybody? The monthly candle so far at this very moment is pushing the 1 hour chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart, the monthly candle. At this very moment of the class, tomorrow is going to be a different story, right? But right now, in this very moment, this candle is pushing all the other time frames up. Oh, right. Somebody's typing, oh, I didn't know this. Okay, everybody? Oh, but you said there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong on how you trade. But trading is a learnable skill when you learn how to understand the market in the correct way. Okay, everybody? So, what is the lesson right now? It doesn't matter what time frame. If you short the market right now, you have a great chance of being stopped out. Freedom, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. If you short the market right now on any time frame, you have a great chance of being stopped out. Yes, I don't care, everybody, if you're a scalper, if you're a day trader on the 15-minute chart. The higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame. And hit the like button on YouTube, everybody, to help the algorithm. It's a shame that Dukascopy webinars get only, what, 20, 30 likes? You are not going to find this information elsewhere, everybody. Tell your friends and family to hit the like button, okay, and spread the word. I don't want to sound arrogant because I'm not, but 95% online stuff, it's BS. Okay? They are showing you stuff, they are teaching you stuff that doesn't work. They don't have the numbers either. Yes, sir. Okay, so moving forward, timing is up. Timing is up. Freedom, what do you mean by algorithm? This content, not just mine, but Dukascopy, it's an investment bank. You know? And this content, it's, I'm not going to say the best, right? Because there is somebody might be better, you know, but this content compared to all the other BS online, you know, it's a professional level content. Make sense? But because today we give likes to haha stupid videos, everybody, or Hollywood production marketing movies, you see the guy in the Lambo and say, oh, you know, this is a trader. He's not a trader, he is a YouTuber. You know, and you see a guy on a yacht and, oh, I'm trading with my beer in hand, you know, and I'm dancing in a party and I'm making money trading forex, and I want to be like this guy. This guy is not a trader, he's a YouTuber. Make sense? So you're going to help hitting the like button for the algorithm to push the Dukascopy streams higher and higher in the ranking. If you type forex in the if you type forex as the name in a YouTube search engine, the first 3 pages are BS. Make sense, everybody? Pure, I mean, I cannot tell for sure, right? I didn't check everything and everybody, but most of the things, those guys are YouTubers. Make sense? That's very true. I really don't know why people are not liking this, because we believe what we see, Julius. you are going to see a guy with the Lambo, you know, and you are going to say, oh, this must know everything, you know. I put like when I opened the page before stream, thank you very much. All of me, 99 of online stuff is trash. So you help algorithm, you know, with the likes. This webinar helped me a lot to confirm my knowledge and learn new stuff. It's a strange world out there, everybody. My opinion, we live in a strange world. Some of my family members, a cousin of mine, you know, I told, oh, can you show me how to make money? Yes, I can teach you everything, but it's going to take you 1 year and a half. Oh, then I'm going to find something else, you know. He is 27, and I told him, well, trading is a learnable skill, but it's going to take you 1 year and a half just to learn the basic stuff. Not to talk about professional level trading, which is the Forex course 202, just to learn the basic stuff is going to take you 1 year and a half. And he said to me, you know, I'm going to find something else. It's a strange world out there, you know. Why? Because of the YouTubers. You know, you see a guy who hired a Lambo and you can, or a helicopter and you can, you know, and you make a video and everybody who is young enough or old enough and still naive is going to believe you. Make sense, everybody? But then after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, you know, then those gums come to me crying, oh, help me, help me, help me. I know that this guy and that guy didn't work. And I said, well, welcome to the club. You know, welcome to the club. Anyway, thank you very much, everybody. Every day you are going to help us with the likes to improve the logarithm of YouTube. Okay, back to class, right? So things to improve short-term trend down. On the monthly, don't mix apples with bananas. On the monthly, we are in a retracement right now, but timing is up. Okay? And lastly, the Fibonacci's. Who is winning so far? Is winning Is the original Fibonacci winning so far, or is the Contrarian Fibonacci winning so far, everybody? Is the original one winning the price action right now? How you understand the market? We are working on number 3, making an educated prediction for this week. How you understand the market right now? Is the original Fibonacci winning the price action, or is the Contrarian winning the price action? Who is winning? Dancy, I'm second month in profit. Congratulations. Now you need to explain how you win, how you lose. Shola, the person I'm following before placed 14 trade and he lost all. He couldn't tell me why. Welcome to the club, Shola. But you are growing up, believe me. Ask for numbers. Ask for numbers, everybody. The real Fibonacci is winning. The original Fibonacci is winning. Congratulations to you. Okay, everybody. So, this is the skill. Make sense? This is the skill. So, Fibonacci. Remember, we have one more to learn. It's the Fibonacci of the confirmation. Text Fibonacci. Here Fibonacci is up, right? So what you do right now, you are going to make a line like this, and you are going to count 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and you are going to make an educated prediction. Okay, so this is you learning the skill, everybody. So one more time, is general direction is up, long-term trend lines, long-term market wave, long-term Fibonacci's, and short-term trend is down. So general direction is up, we all agreed. We didn't agree all, but the short-term direction is down. Okay, timing right now is up, and the original Fibonacci is up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Should you be long or should you be short? On the weekly, I mean on the monthly, not the weekly. Everybody? Oh, but I'm on the 15-minute chart. It doesn't matter. This is the skill. Everybody, if you are going to think that, oh, I'm on the 15-minute chart, you cannot enter in the Forex course 202, because you are not going to have a clear and complete understanding on how this market works. Fair enough, this is not the only way to learn, yes sir, but this is enough to make consistent pips and money. Make sense, everybody? But you cannot come to the institutional level with the understanding of number 3. Okay, the 15-minute chart traders. No, because no, you know, FXFreedom, it's a great guy, but I'm not going to check the monthly chart because I'm on the 15-minute chart with my unicorn rainbow system. It's your decision. Wow, we have, oh, see everybody, now we have 2 people going long. So this was the beginning. This is the beginning. In the beginning was long 1. And a few months ago, our manager, our captain Yanis, everybody, showed the numbers that Dukascopy improved the clients' accounts with the education. Make sense? Never forget, if your way is not working, try ours. Look at the numbers, don't be stubborn, look at the numbers. Long, 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 long 1, long 2, long 3, long 4. Is anybody here who thinks now it's still short? Everybody, you can short, it's not a problem, just learn. If you're going to lose, make sense? Queen long, Ala long, Olufemi long, Dancy long. Julius, what about you? Shola, what about you? Clara, what about you? We have 4 long so far. Everybody, you can go short, makes sense, not a problem, but if you lose, this is the why. I shorted the market on the 15-minute chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart, and I lost. This is the learning part. This is the number 2 and number 3. I shorted the market and I lost. You understand why you win and why you lose. I lost on the 15-minute chart or the 1-hour chart because I entered against the monthly candle, which was not closed, but at the moment that I entered, it was pushing up. Okay? Long, 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 long. Excellent, very good, everybody. Isn't this great information, everybody? Right? Monthly. It makes a lot of sense to me, says somebody, not on YouTube but on the other streaming platform. This is the learning skill. Okay, now weekly, right? Freedom, why are we analyzing the monthly, the weekly, and the other time frames? Great question. You have the monthly, you have the weekly, you have the daily, you have the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, and some of you trade on the 15-minute chart, right? Okay? If we are not going to finish today, this is going to be your homework, and we're going to check this tomorrow. Shola says, thank you, sir. This information awesome. Thank you, Julius. Thank you for learning, everybody. Remember, you know, I'm not here, you know, I am a nice guy, but I'm here with a purpose too. I am looking for traders. Okay? The world is in a desperate need for traders. Back to the question, why are we doing this on the monthly, weekly, everybody? Like we made an educated prediction that the monthly is up, but then, because I don't know, just an example, if the weekly is going to be down as a general prediction, and the daily is going to be up, just an example, and 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hours is going to be down, what are you going to do on the 15-minute chart? And or what are you going to do on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour too? Okay? This is the answer, everybody. Why are we doing this on the monthly, weekly, daily? Monthly, weekly, daily, and then the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. And in here too, right? Maybe some of you are trading from the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart. Still the same. If the monthly it's up, weekly is down, daily is up, and the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart is down, what are you going to do? How are you going to trade? If not the 15-minute charts. Okay? This is the skill. Number 3, you have an understanding and you are going to make an educated prediction. And if you are good, you are going to make pips and money. If you are not good, you are going to train, practice, 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 practice. Somebody's asking on the on the other streaming platform, is there an is easiest way? No, it's not. I'm sorry, you know. There is not an easiest way, right? Okay, everybody, Euro JPY weekly chart. Type in the chat. Make an educated prediction, long or short, before we start analyzing. Don't mix apple. No. Oh, the weekly it's the same as the monthly. No, it's not. No, it's not. Julius, because the higher time frame controls this more. Yes. Shola 15-minute short. Well, I need to check. Shola, see, everybody, this is the skill. We just saw a monthly candle going up, timing, and now you are seeing the weekly candle going up, closed, and you are seeing a small weekly candle going down, right? Make sense? So timing at this very moment from the weekly is down, but the monthly is up, and we need to check the daily and the 4 hour before we come to a conclusion to the 15 minutes. Okay? Olufemi says shorting the market on the weekly. Well, we are going to do exactly the same. Let's make a poll, everybody. How many of you want to go long? How many of you want to go short? Educated prediction. How many of you want to buy Euro JPY on the weekly chart for this week? And how many of you want to sell Euro JPY on the weekly chart for this week? Short, long. Okay, so short dance. I think on the weekly we need to change direction of original Fibonacci because it's invalid. Yes, step by step, everybody. You need to learn the systematic approach. Make sense? You need to go step by step. You start with general prediction. You say, okay, this is what I see. I think I should go long, or I think I should go short. Type in the chat, everybody. What decision are you going to make right now? Don't be shy. So I was wrong on the monthly. This is how we train. Make sense? You do what you think is correct, and then we're helping you to understand better. Don't be shy, don't be scared. Hedge fund trader Olufemi, short. Anybody else want to make an educated prediction? I cannot help you, everybody, if you don't participate. Make sense? So we talked about then, right? We have the 4 rectangles. So clone 1, 2, we have general direction, then we have the short-term direction, then we have timing, and then we have the Fibonacci's, right? Then see long, up, 1, 2, 3, up, 1 down. Excellent, very good, thank you very much. We have 1 to go short, 1, 2, 3, 1 shorts and 3 longs. Excellent, very good. Everybody, homework until tomorrow. Do this by yourself on the daily. Okay? So this is the educated prediction. I want to go long or I want to go short for the week, right? And then we have general direction, then we have the short-term direction, text, short, not trend, short-term direction. Don't confuse the short-term direction with the short-term trend. Allah says long, we have 2 longs. We have 2 longs. Shola says short, drown. Queen is short, long term up, short term. Nancy, calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down. You are too fast. Short, queen, Shola 1, 2. Long. We have 3 longs and 2 shorts, everybody, which is great. edit label, 2 shorts and 3 longs. Excellent. Okay, everybody, now general direction, Fibo is up. So you have general direction, short-term direction, timing. This is your homework for tomorrow, until tomorrow on the daily, and the last rectangle is the Fibonacci. Fibonacci, right? Okay. So let's start with general direction. Is the question about direction or trading the market right now? Direction. This is what you see, everybody. Okay, so this is what you see. I need to readjust the trend lines. And now trend lines, down trend lines, down trend lines, up trend line. We learned about trend lines, everybody. Down trend line, and this is the last up trend line. Fibonacci. In the meantime, type in the chat higher highs, higher lows. The market broke the original one. This is not valid anymore. Then we had a down Fibonacci original one, and the market broke the down on original Fibonacci. Out, out, not valid anymore. The market, not sure about this one. Not sure about this one, everybody. Which one is lower? 114.42, 82, 85, 85, 42. So delete this one. And what was the low? 1485, and this one is 1442. Okay, so out this one, not valid anymore, not valid anymore. One more time, not valid anymore. So our original Fibonacci is up. This is the original one right now, not the Contrarian anymore. And the Contrarian Fibonacci is, and the market, it's not making any easier for us, right? Which one is the high? 144251, 2427. So this is a high, and low 863. Okay, so this is our Contrarian Fibonacci right now. Euro JPY weekly chart. How is general direction, up or down? Everybody, we have 4 more minutes. Type in the chat general direction, how you understand this market so far. Euro JPY on the weekly chart, up or down? General direction. What does general direction mean? It means that you are looking at a chart and you are predicting that this market in 6 months is going to be up in here, or this market in 6 months is going to be down in here. Boss, how do I know? You are making a prediction. Make sense? We don't have the crystal ball, but we as professional traders, we are pre-planning. Up, up, up. Anybody says down? Okay, so everybody agrees, okay, general direction is up, right? What about the short-term direction? Before, some of you had the short-term direction wrong. So yellow line, short-term trend, it's like this and it's like this, right? What about the short-term trend, everybody? Short-term direction, up or down? Shorter down. Don't confuse the short-term direction with timing. Those are two different things. Everybody, when you understand in the correct way the short-term direction and timing, you are going to understand why somebody is selling a currency pair at the exact same time and the exact same place when somebody else is buying. Make sense? When you understand short-term direction and timing, you are going to see two different traders doing different things at the same price. Somebody is going to buy, somebody is going to sell. Down, 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 down. Whoa, congratulations to you. You all agree, short-term direction is down. Now what about timing? What is the weekly candle so far telling you? And similarly to the monthly, it's still moving, it's not closed yet. But if you want to enter on the 15-minute chart right now, or the 1-hour chart, or the 2-hour chart, or the 4-hour chart, what is this candle telling you? This is timing right now. Okay? Short-term down, short-term down, timing down, bearish candle. Timing, everybody, do you all agree? It's bearish right now at this very moment. Tomorrow something different, but right now timing buy, go long, or sell, go short. Timing down, bearish candle, okay. What about the Fibonacci? At this very moment, who is winning this game? The Contrarian or the original one? This is the chart, this is what you see. Oh yes, but the monthly, you are on the weekly right now. Don't confuse apples with bananas. Right now, talking about the Fibonacci, who is winning right now? Timing is down, very good. Didn't hit the D quite, right? Freedom, what you do? What you do? The market just hit past support. The market just hit past support, but the Contrarian Fibonacci is still down, and we don't have a confirmed C. And I'm seeing a short-term downtrend on the daily. What you do? Right? Answer, count probabilities. Make sense? A trading decision, it's pure math based on probabilities. It's not emotional, everybody. You know, oh my gosh, this is happening and this is happening. Well, count. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Who is stronger? And then Contrarian. Original Fibonacci strongest winning. Dancy says, okay, everybody, so yes, everybody, Contrarian is the correct answer. Okay, Dancy, you need to, not just Dancy, everybody else, how to understand price action and the market. Okay, the Contrarian is winning so far, because if you take this chunk of price action, you are going to understand that it started up in here and at this very moment it came down in here. Okay, Contrarian is stronger so far. Tomorrow might be another story. Okay, everybody? And if you are guessing why, how, or oh, I don't understand, this is the trick. You are on the weekly chart, push to the daily, zoom out, and you are going to see on the daily lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Okay, red line. Okay, Dance and everybody else, so far tomorrow might be a different story, but so far the Contrarian is winning. And back to the weekly, everybody, and zoom out. So general direction is up, short-term direction is down, timing is down, and the Fibonacci is down. Decision. Oh my gosh, the probabilities of the weekly are against the probabilities on the monthly. Right, everybody? Somebody was just typing on the other streaming platform. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. On the monthly it's up and on the weekly it's down. So we have two more. One is the daily and the next one is the 4-hour chart. Okay, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Remember, you have the homework. Try to do this by yourself. Okay, I'm not saying try to do this alone. Okay, find some friends. This is a community. Partner up and do this exercise on the Euro JPY daily chart. In conclusion, today we were working on number 3. You have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can make an educated prediction. And we worked a little bit also number 2. You understand why you win and why you lose. Okay? Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money. This is FX Freedom, signing off.